Hey everybody, Emma here. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, nice to meet ya. Today, we're diving headfirst into the awesome world of smart home installation services. Because let's be real, who doesn't want a house that basically runs itself? We're talking lights that obey your every command, thermostats that magically know when to crank up the heat, and even security systems that'd make James Bond jealous. If you've ever even thought about dipping your toes into the smart home game, this video is for you. We're going to break down everything from wiring those fancy smart lights to setting up a voice-controlled entertainment system that'll make your neighbors green with envy. So buckle up, smash that like button for the algorithm, and let's get this smart home show on the road. Let's kick things off with the heart of any smart home setup, the lighting. Ditch those old-school switches for smart bulbs, dimmers, and switch panels. Options range from budget-friendly white bulbs to RGB extravaganzas that change color. Think about control. Voice control? No problem. Prefer an app? Even easier. Installing is a piece of cake. Just connect to the right Wi-Fi. The magic happens when you group your lights. One tap sets the perfect mood for movie night. It's the little things. Set up custom scenes for a sci-fi vibe. Okay. Now that we've got the mood lighting sorted, let's talk about something equally important: staying comfortable year-round without bankrupting yourself on energy bills. That's where smart thermostats come in. And let me tell you, these things are a game changer. We're talking about devices like Nest, Ecobee, Honeywell, the big dogs of the smart thermostat world. These little guys learn your habits, adjust the temperature automatically, and can even be controlled from your phone. Gone are the days of fiddling with those ancient mercury-filled monstrosities. Installing a smart thermostat is usually pretty straightforward, but depending on your existing wiring, it might be a good idea to call in an electrician just to be safe. Once you're all wired up, it's time to get your thermostat talking to your Wi-Fi network. But the real beauty of these smart thermostats is their ability to learn your schedule and adjust the temperature accordingly. Imagine this. You wake up to a perfectly heated house, but as soon as you leave for work, the thermostat knows to dial things back to save energy. And then, like magic, it starts warming things up again just before you get home. All right, let's talk about something that's near and dear to everyone's heart: keeping your home and family safe. We're talking about smart home security systems that'll give you peace of mind 24/7. First up, we've got smart cameras, the eyes and ears of your modern-day fortress of solitude. You've got your standard outdoor cameras that can withstand whatever Mother Nature throws at them, indoor cameras for keeping an eye on things while you're away, and even doorbell cameras like Ring that let you see who's at the door without even getting off the couch. But smart cameras are just the tip of the iceberg. We're also talking about sensors that can detect everything from open windows and doors to broken glass and even flooding. These little guys are like your home's early warning system, alerting you to potential problems before they turn into major headaches. Most smart security systems come with their own dedicated apps that let you monitor your cameras, arm and disarm your system, and even receive real-time alerts if something seems fishy. And if you're really serious about security, you can even opt for professional monitoring services. Imagine this. Your doorbell camera detects someone approaching your front door. It automatically triggers the porch light to turn on and sends you a notification on your phone. Voice assistant integration. Your wish is their command. Let's be honest, you want to control your house with your voice, right? Voice assistant integration makes that dream a reality. We're talking about Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. These assistants control your smart home with just a few words. Setting up is a breeze. Plug in, connect to Wi-Fi, and follow instructions. Then start giving commands. Hey Google, turn on the lights. Alexa, set the thermostat to 72 degrees. Hey Siri, play some jazz. The possibilities are endless. Create custom routines and automations. Say good morning and your home springs to life. Lights brighten, coffee brews, and news is read. Smart entertainment systems. Crank up the awesome. All right, let's move on to something that's near and dear to my heart, and probably yours too: building the ultimate smart home entertainment system. We're talking about a setup so epic, so immersive, that it'll make you want to ditch your Netflix subscription and just stay home every night. First up, we've got the star of the show, the smart TV. These days, pretty much every TV worth its salt comes with some form of smart functionality built in. But we're not talking about just basic streaming apps here. We're talking about TVs with voice control, ambient light sensors that adjust the picture settings based on the room's lighting, and even gaming features that'll give you an edge over your online opponents. But what good is a killer TV without an equally impressive sound system? We're talking about surround sound setups that'll make you feel like you're right in the middle of the action, soundbars that deliver crystal clear dialogue and booming bass, and even multi-room audio systems that let you enjoy your favorite tunes in every corner of your home. Of course, no entertainment system is complete without a way to access all your favorite content. That's where streaming devices like Roku, Chromecast, Apple TV, and Amazon Fire TV come in. Network and Wi-Fi optimization, the unsung hero. Okay, let's face it. Talking about network and Wi-Fi optimization isn't exactly the sexiest topic. But trust me, it's the backbone of any reliable and responsive smart home. Because let's be real, there's nothing more frustrating than laggy connections, buffering videos, and smart devices that just refuse to cooperate. First things first, you need a strong and reliable Wi-Fi signal that can reach every corner of your home. If you've got a large house or a lot of walls and floors, you might need to invest in a mesh Wi-Fi system. These systems use multiple access points to create a seamless network that blankets your entire home with a strong and stable signal. But it's not just about signal strength. You also need to make sure your network is secure. We're talking about strong passwords, firewalls, and even VPNs if you're really serious about protecting your data. Once you've got your network locked down, it's time to start optimizing your devices. This involves things like making sure your devices are running the latest firmware, checking for any software updates, and even adjusting the settings on your router to prioritize traffic from your smart home devices. Custom automation and scene setup. Next level smart home. All right, we've covered a lot of ground so far, but now it's time to get to the really fun stuff. Custom automation and scene setup. This is where you take everything you've learned about your smart home devices and combine them into sophisticated routines that'll make you feel like you're living in a futuristic utopia. We're talking about creating custom scenes for different activities and times of day. Imagine a good morning scene that gradually brightens the lights, starts brewing your coffee, and plays your favorite news podcast as you're getting ready for work. Or how about a movie night scene that dims the lights, closes the curtains, and turns on your surround sound system? But it's not just about convenience and ambiance. Custom automation can also help you save energy and even improve your home's security. Imagine a good night scene that turns off all the lights, locks the doors, arms the security system, and adjusts the thermostat to save energy while you sleep. Creating these custom scenes is easier than you might think. Consultation and product recommendations. Avoid buyer's remorse. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds amazing, but where do I even begin? The world of smart home technology can be overwhelming, with new devices and platforms popping up all the time. It's easy to get bogged down in a sea of specs, features, and compatibility issues. That's where professional consultation and product recommendations come in. Before you shell out your hard-earned cash on a bunch of gadgets that might not even work together, it's a good idea to consult with an expert who can help you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of smart home technology. A good consultant will take the time to understand your needs, your budget, and your home's layout to recommend the best products and solutions for your specific situation. They can help you choose the right smart home platform, select compatible devices, and even provide guidance on installation and setup. Investing in professional consultation can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration in the long run. Outrow, go forth and get smart. Well, there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the exciting, sometimes daunting, but ultimately rewarding world of smart home installation services. From the simple satisfaction of a perfectly dimmed light to the futuristic magic of voice-controlled everything, building a smarter home is within your reach. If you found this video helpful in your quest for a smarter, more convenient, and way cooler home, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.